Get out of my way. I'm not signing into iTunes. I just had to flex on you guys a little bit. A little pop-up came up too. That's what that little blurb was about. I just got done with a very good workout. Let me get this off my body. I'm a human. I'm not a piece of meat. You guys don't need to be seeing my body right now. But the topic for today is when you just don't want to go to the gym. When you simply sit in your car in the parking lot forever debating on if you should go in there. When you literally lean your seat back and just try to take a nap or something to where you hope life just stops and you don't have to take care of your responsibilities because, man, you're overwhelmed. You're flustered. You're human. I'm talking about this issue because of something that happened to me today. I just got done with my chest workout. I don't normally go for one body part, but I took this like pump, Insane Veins, I think by Insane Labs, and man, it felt good. It felt real good. So obviously I finished my heavy bench, and then I had to go into some chest work, but that's besides the point. Actually, no, it is the point. I did not want to fucking work out. I wanted to sit at home and play Xbox and go eat a big ass meal that I didn't deserve the carbs that were involved in that meal. I didn't earn that insulin spike. I didn't earn that deliciousness. Yes, I worked out fasted because I wanted to feel the hunger. Really feel it, and I did. But I was gonna stay home. I was gonna play some Xbox, probably drink some chocolate milk. Like a little kid. Well, everyone should drink chocolate milk. Right now I'm getting some lactose-free chocolate milk because my skin's breaking out a little bit, and I want that to go away. But I wanted to be a kid. In the words of Eric Thomas, I couldn't outlast the old me long enough to see the new me. I wanted to fall into old habits of skipping workouts, playing Xbox and escaping my life duties, running away from my responsibilities and what I have to do as a man, what I have to do as a business, and what I have to do as an athlete. I'm telling you this because I know you guys have the same thing. I know you guys watching this have had a day where you just sit in your car and you do nothing. Just think about all the things piling up on your life and how you're going to deal with them. Well, I will tell you one thing right now, and this is the only thing that you have to know, that you need to put one foot in front of the other and take it to the next step. And know that next step does not have to be a big next step. It doesn't have to be something life-changing. Do you know what you have to do? You simply got to move. Quit being stagnant. If you are sitting in your car right now watching this video because you're debating on getting out of the car to go to work, if you're debating on simply asking a girl out, maybe shooting her a text, if you're debating on going to your workout, whatever it might be, I invite you to take your keys out of the ignition. I invite you to turn off your headlights. I invite you to grab your gym bag. I invite you to grab your water bottle. I don't care what the next step is. I just want you to do it. Because guess what? There's this thing called forward momentum that is absolutely beautiful. Once you start that first movement, there is a cascade. There is a flowing movement that is unstoppable. You're going to keep doing. You're going to keep moving. You're going to take the next step. After you take your keys out of the ignition, you're going to open up the door. After you open up that door, you're going to put your right foot on the ground. After you put your right foot on the ground, you're going to put your left foot on the ground. And then you're going to go change your life. Then you're going to go focus on your self-improvement. Then you're going to go get what you deserve. I'm out of here. I don't want to hit someone because I feel good. I got to focus on the road.